In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2015 MCQs, that is the principal value of minus iota whole power I. Solution: if z is equal to minus iota, then absolute of z is equal to 1. Argument of z is equal to tan inverse y over x. So y is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 0. So minus 1 divided by 0 is equal to undefined tan infinitive is equal to pi over 2 90 degrees. So argument of z is equal to minus pi over 2. Since minus iota whole power iota is equal to e power iota log minus iota. So log of minus iota is equal to natural log 1 plus iota into minus pi over 2. So log of z is equal to natural log r plus iota theta. So r is equal to 1, theta is equal to minus pi over 2. So natural log of 1 is equal to 0 minus iota plus minus iota into pi over 2. So iota multiply iota, iota square minus iota square into pi over 2. So minus iota square is equal to plus 1 e power pi over 2. So option C is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.